Hi everyone, I am CS Punche, Indirect Tax Expert at ClearTax, and today we are here to understand about the recent changes in preparation and filing your GSTR-3B return. So now we are going to focus only on the ITC part. And when it comes to ITC part, today we used to fill different information in GSTR-3B. So there was information related to your import of goods, your import of services. There is ITC related to the purchases you have made from registered person. There is the information related to the reverse charge ITC which you are going to claim. There is also something called ineligible ITC under section number 17.5 which we used to report, and we used to directly report this under 4D, and this was never formed part of your claiming part and never formed part of reversal part. We directly used to report under 4D, where you just used to give, okay, this is the figure and it is only for the declaration purpose. But now there are changes when it comes to how are we showing the ITC claiming and the reversal in GSTR-3B. So we are going to understand about these changes, like what exact changes the government have come up with. So now I will just present the screen. So these are the changes which government have come up with. So here, if we look into the showing the part of ITC related to import of goods or import of services or the RCM part or the IST part, it remains the same. There is no change over there. The bigger change which have come up with is how we used to report the ITC in respect of the purchases which we have made and which was maybe claimed in the later stage. So a simple example, I purchased something from my vendor in the month of, let's say, April, and that vendor has also uploaded this invoice in their GSTR1 and was getting reflected in my GSTR2B in the same month, which is April month. But now I have claimed this ITC maybe in the next month, which is I have claimed in the month of May. So here, how are we going to show this ITC? The way of showing this IT have been changed, and that is what we are going to learn in this video. Similarly, if I talk about, there could be other scenario where maybe I have purchased something. Let's say I have purchased motor vehicle, but I can't claim ITC on the same. So in such cases also, earlier we used to say, okay, this is my ineligible ITC. I'm going to just expense it out. I don't want to claim ITC because I know I can't claim it. It's an ineligible ITC. So we used to directly show as a part of 4D where we say, okay, it's an ineligible ITC. So there is no problem there. But now reporting of such transaction is also changed, where I have to first add up this transaction. I have to show that, okay, I want to claim it. Then we have to do the reversal of such thing. So this is how the changes are made. So if we look into the ITC, which is eligible as reported in our GSTR-2B. So we all know that today we get this 2B form. And in this 2B form, what government gives us? Government says, okay, this is the eligible and this is the ineligible. Under the ineligible part, they know only that where there is a change in place of supply, which means as per the supplier, whatever the place of supply comes in, as per my state, for whom 2B is generated, if these two are different, then that is considered as an ineligible ITC. Similarly, wherever there is a time gap, which means if someone have filed the return for a particular year after the next year September return period due date, in such case also this is a kind of time barred thing and I can't claim ITC on such cases. So this is also considered as an ineligible ITC. So what government is saying now in this GSTR-3B form, which they have made changes. So they are saying that here, whatever the ITC which is shown as ineligible as per your GSTR-2B, you directly report this in table number 4D2. So this is only for the declaration purpose and you have to put that amount over there. Now, ineligible ITC is not only that. Obviously, there can be other ineligible ITC also. There could be some purchases, like say I have purchased some food and beverages for my employees and all, but I can't claim ITC as per 17.5. So this ITC, if we look into it, this ITC is considered as an eligible as per my 2B, because obviously government don't have that information whether this is eligible or ineligible. But as a user, I know this is an ineligible ITC. So for this kind of transaction, what they're saying that this is reported in as an eligible in 2B, you show this as an ineligible because this is an ineligible. So what you have to do, first show this as a ITC which you are going to claim. So show that information under 4A5 under the all other ITC, and then you do the reversal. Then you show this information under the 4B here under the 4B, under 17.5, you do the reversal. So first claim it, then do the reversal, so that as a net, you're not going to claim anything. So this is something what the government have made the changes, and why they are doing that, so that there can be a direct track of what ITC was available in the 2B, how much was ineligible ITC in respect of what was actually present in the 2B. So that is what they're going to do. So they're saying, okay, first you show as all other ITC and then do the corresponding ITC reversal. So this is one important change, because today if you look into the transition, how we record in our ERPs also, we usually directly expense it out. We never show that as a separately in our ERP also. So, but now after this change, we have to show this first as an ITC, then we have to do the reversal, and the net impact, obviously, I am not going to claim any ITC, so net impact will be zero only. But for the reporting purpose, I have to clearly mention that this is the ITC which is claimed and then have been reversed because of the ineligible ITC. Now, other important part over here is the ITC which was in 2B and was claimed in the same month. There is no problem. Today also we used to show that under all other ITC. Now also we are going to show under the all other ITC. But the ITC which was present in my GSTR 2B today, but I can't claim the ITC because maybe I have not received the goods or the services, and I'm going to claim maybe in the next month. So for that case, what we have to do, in that month, the first month when this ITC was coming in my 2B, first I have to show that ITC under 4A5 as all other ITC. So I'm going to claim it. And since I can't claim in the same month because the conditions of section 16 are not fulfilled, I have to reverse that ITC also. So we'll also do the reversal of that. So we'll just show that under 4A5, and we'll also do or show that information under 4B2, that this is reversed because I can't claim it. I have not fulfilled my section 16 condition. So in the first month, first I have to show under all other ITC, which is auto-populated from your GST 2B, then do the reversal under your 4B2. Once this is done, now in the next month, because ultimately you have to claim some time, right? So in the next month, assume now you have actually received the goods and the services, and now you are eligible to claim such ITC. So in such case, in the next month, whenever you are eligible to claim ITC, you again have to show this information under 4A5 under all other ITC, because now you are eligible. And at the same time, you also have to tell the government about this information. So you also have to show this information under 4D1, which means this is the ITC which was reversed earlier, but now you are claiming. So this information will also form part of your 4D1. So these are the major changes which have come up when it comes to showing the ITC part in your GSTR-3B form. So now we have to make sure that how are we even recording the entries in your ERP. So earlier ineligible, we used to directly expense it out. Now we don't have to do that. We have to first show it clearly that this is something which was ITC, but now I am reversing it. So that transition should be recorded properly in your ERP. At the same time, you should also track the transaction that what was kept as pending. I was not able to claim in the first month, but now I am claiming. So all this information should also form part of while you are claiming your ITC in your GSTR 3B. So thank you for watching this video.